I see the day, I see the night, I see the night light, I see the daylight, the sun and the moonlight. I see the daylight, I see the night light. All the colors like a strobe light. I see the night light, the stars that light up the sky, so bright red delight. I see the sunlight in the day and night. The moon is the sun at the night time. All the stars that sit there in light next to the moon, light the sun to the clouds. I see the light in the day and night, AM, PM, all the lights again and again, moon and an end. With the stars aligning, with all of the lighting and the sunlight and the sunshine next to the clouds, aligning up great and perfect somehow. When we look out, we see the lightning, the lighting of the night in the daytime, aligning with the sun, the clouds, and the sunshine that beyond, beaming, shining, the lighting in the day and the night, sunshine. The lights that are light, the lighting up the sky, the lighting up our life with the light in the day, in the night. This is